Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for a post-study work visa in the UK, also called as the graduate visa. Now, this is helpful because it lets you stay in the UK after you finish your course and work or look for work. So number one, open Google Chrome and search for Apply Graduate Visa UK. Click the official welcome to gov.uk page for graduate visa. So check the basics. It lets you stay at least 2 years after you successfully complete a UK course. And before you start, make sure you're in the UK, your school has reported your course completion, and you apply before your student visa expires. Get ready with your passport and your CAS reference number, and be ready to pay the visa fee and the Immigration Health Surcharge. So click Start now, then create or sign in to your UKVI account, and then fill in your details, add your course info, and upload what they ask for. After you submit and pay, verify your identity using the UK Immigration ID Check app, scan your passport, or book an appointment at a visa application center. Then wait for the decision, so it usually takes within 8 weeks. So thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, subscribe to How to Tutor. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button.